Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be learning how to create a input box for all intents and purposes. So alright, let's look at where we are from last time. So we had three buttons, one button did something, and then we had a label right here. So okay. Now we're going to move the button over here and then put an input box here. So that's why it is so important to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because we build one video upon another. So alright, let's just get to it. Well, first of all, let's have these be, we're just going to cheat a little bit so we don't have to really overthink the spacing, and we're going to tweak it even more next video with some more detailed instructions of how to really control the sizes of our widgets. So alright, so we just got blank and blank, so then we're going to move the button over here and turn this into a text input widget. So, alright. Get rid of this. Okay. And it is literally 3, 4, this simple. I know this is weird because I always had a hard time with this, but text input. T is capitalized, I is capitalized. Let's save this, close that out, and rerun this. So alright, here we go. Now we still have our button active, but this is, we can now take in input. Now we're not doing anything with it yet, but this is another widget. This is the text input widget, and it is very capable, and we're gonna then have to learn how to create on the Python side, because this is where we're going to start really connecting, because like we saw with our button, we had to create an object to actually do something, and all it did right now was print something to our command line screen right there. But this is how simple just creating, let's run this again, text input widget box, however you want to think about it. And next time we are going to shrink this and have this be in a very small section on this screen, so you can then begin to understand how you can control it and move it around wherever you want it placed on your screen. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today, but these are going to be very bite-sized and very specific, so when you need to come back and search for them, you'll have them. And that is the point of this channel, and you guys have helped lead that and direct it, and I can't tell you guys thank you enough. And also just the huge outpouring of support on the last video, because this stuff is hard, and we're really building a really strong community, and I just want to tell you guys thank you. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. Got one coming tonight on a comment, kind of a question kind of stuck, and we'll address that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.